Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared veg spring rolls recipe. These spring rolls I've tasted many places. It's very bland. This is prepared according to my taste and my way of cooking. So it's very nice and tasty. Do try this recipe. You need to prep and follow the recipe ahead of time to prepare this spring rolls. Here I have laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We need spring roll sheets. I have thoroughly washed, chopped and reserved all the veggies. We need warm water. Heated up sesame oil. We need to cook the rice vermicelli ahead of time. We need vinegar and date sauce. All the veggies used for this recipe is prepped, washed thoroughly and sliced thinly and reserved. We also need roasted peanuts, which is coarsely crushed and reserved for this recipe. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Here I am preparing the sauce for this recipe. In a bowl I have added warm water, then I have added vinegar, date syrup, I'll add roasted and crushed peanuts, then we'll add grated ginger, finely chopped chilies, finely chopped lime leaves. We need to add salt, pepper, sugar. Combine this sauce and place this in the refrigerator. The sauce has to absorb all that flavors and taste, and once you serve it for spring rolls, it will be very nice and tasty. If you need, always taste the sauce. If required, you add extra date sauce, or you can also add extra salt and sugar as per your preference. But you should always dilute the sauce with warm water before serving. Now here you can see the sauce is ready. I'll place this in the refrigerator for the ingredients to steep well inside the sauce. Now the rice vermicelli I prepared ahead of time, so it was clumped up a bit. So I'm just separating it in my hands itself and adding it directly to a wok, because I'll heat this for 2 minutes with all the ingredients. The rice vermicelli will fluff up and it will be very nice and tasty. So once I've added the rice vermicelli to a wok, I've added heated up sesame oil, salt as per taste, crushed peanut powder. We need to add lime juice. Mix the vermicelli well and heat it up for 2 minutes. This adds very good taste inside the spring roll. So these are the small steps that I follow, and I prepare the spring rolls as per my taste preference. In many places you will see, or in many recipes you will see, all this is placed inside the spring roll as it is. So the taste is bland. Now there is another method to wet your spring roll sheets. I've used a damp napkin. The napkin is already soaked well in warm water. Then I've squeezed out some excess water from the napkin. Then I have evenly dampened the spring roll sheets, both sides, and placed it on a flat surface. Now I'll layer the spring roll sheets with lettuce, shredded carrot, onion, cucumber, bell pepper, and make sure you sprinkle some salt on all the veggies. Otherwise it's very bland. In many places, many restaurants I've tasted this, even the 5-star hotels I've tasted, it is very bland. They never add any seasoning inside the spring roll. That is one great mistake many people do. And in many places I've also seen the spring rolls is tasteless. You just have to dip it in the sauce they serve and then you have to eat it. Only then you will get the flavor and taste of this. So once I've layered the veggies, then I've topped the veggies with the vermicelli noodles, mint and coriander, and I folded the spring rolls and rolled it to form a spring roll. This is basically a salad in a roll. It's very healthy, especially for people who are dieting, Diabetic people also can eat it, not an issue, because it's a salad. So do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. This is a very simple recipe to prepare, provided you prep up all the ingredients ahead of time. So prep all the ingredients ahead of time and prepare these spring rolls. So many people, they have many people think that, you know, if you dip the spring roll sheets in warm water, it will crack. Even for me, it happened twice. It happened. So many people don't prepare this recipe. For them, I am using this napkin and showing the new method, how to dampen your spring roll sheets and then use it. So you dampen the spring roll sheets with the warm water using a napkin, then you can roll your spring roll sheets. So this is one method of preparing the spring rolls. Hope you all find something new in my channel, a new recipe, and you all try it. This is my own version of spring rolls. You can see there is a good amount of seasoning and the flavors and taste is very nice. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.